At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting an online boutique can be an exciting venture. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you kickstart your online boutique business. 1. Market research. Begin by researching the market to understand your target audience, their preferences, and the competition. Identify your niche, whether it's women's fashion, men's accessories, children's clothing, etc. 2. Create a business plan. Outline your business goals, target market, marketing strategies, budget, and operational plan. This will serve as your roadmap throughout the journey. 3. Legal considerations. Register your business, obtain any necessary permits or licenses, and decide on your business structure, sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, etc. Make sure to comply with tax regulations in your area. 4. Source products. Find reliable suppliers or wholesalers for your products. You can either create your own products, collaborate with designers, or purchase items wholesale. Ensure that your products align with your target market's preferences and quality expectations. 5. Build your online presence. Create a visually appealing and user-friendly website for your online boutique. Include high-quality images of your products, detailed descriptions, and easy navigation. Consider using e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Etsy to set up your online store quickly. 6. Marketing strategy. Develop a marketing plan to attract customers to your online boutique. Utilize social media platforms, email marketing, influencer collaborations, and search engine optimization, SEO, techniques to increase visibility and drive traffic to your website. 7. Customer service. Provide excellent customer service to build trust and loyalty. Offer multiple communication channels such as email, live chat, and phone support to assist customers with inquiries, orders, and concerns. 8. Order fulfillment and shipping. Establish efficient order fulfillment processes to ensure timely delivery of products to your customers. Decide on shipping methods, packaging materials, and shipping rates. Consider offering free shipping or discounts for bulk orders to incentivize purchases. 9. Track performance. Monitor key performance indicators, KPIs, such as website traffic, sales conversion rate, average order value, and customer retention rate. Use analytics tools to gain insights into customer behavior and preferences and adjust your strategies accordingly. 10. Scale your business. As your online boutique grows, explore opportunities to expand your product offerings, reach new markets, and enhance customer experience. Stay updated with industry trends and continuously innovate to stay ahead of the competition. Starting an online boutique requires dedication, creativity, and strategic planning. But with the right approach, it can be a rewarding and profitable venture. Good luck. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.